today I'm here with
John and Callie side.
And today I'm going to be opening up a side surprise, and Drew's going to be opening up.
All right, let's take a look at the five surprise first. All right, so there is the 5 surprise. It's made by Zuru. It's 3+. So it looks like there's going to be 5 surprises. Unbox 5 toys. Warning, choking hazard.
Yeah.
So there's the Zuru 5 surprise. There's a collect 150 different toys. So this is looks like it's going to be the girls.
Yeah,
All right.
Kind of see that it's pink.
So we've already opened up one of these before. So we'll see what we get in there.
Also, Jordan can't open one of these because he will choke. He's under 3.
Okay, hold on. Before you open that, let's take a look at the... So it's a WWE Mystery Mini Vinyl Figures. So warning, choking hazard. Uh-oh, age 14+. All right, looks like there's a couple wrestlers you can get. Stop. Gold Dust.
Annoying.
So you can get Gold Dust. You can get, it looks like, is that Batista?
Yeah.
Or is that Randy Orton? On the side.
One sec.
Okay.
Do you want me to read out?
Just take a look at the picture. No, just take a look at the picture right there. Take a look at that picture beside.
It's Randy.
It's Randy Orton.
Then this is Roman Reigns and Million. Then this is John Cena and Stone Cold.
Okay, so let's see. So who can you get in the back?
John Cena, Sting, $1 Million Man, Kevin Nash, Bret Hart, Brock Lesnar, Roman Reigns, Gold, Seth Rollins, Randy Orton, Dusty Rhodes, and Stone Cold.
All right, so let's take a look.
This is so cool.
All right, so there is Stone Cold Steve Austin. There's John Cena. So there's all the wrestlers you can get. There they are. So it looks like they're all 1 to 12. So we'll get an equal chance of getting each one of them. I want Bret the Hitman Hart. Which one do you want, Jordan?
I want Seth Rollins and Brock Lesnar.
And I want to open this.
So Jordan wants Seth and Brock.
And
All
I
right,
want to
so
open this.
Callie's going to open up the first part of the Zuru 5 surprise.
Open.
It's a Friday. Kids are going crazy on Fridays.
What?
I said you guys always go crazy on Fridays.
I do?
Yeah, you do. Not me.
Oh, no, I said both. All
Bird.
right, let's open it up.
5 hours later.
Give me
50 hours later.
1 million years later. I'm old. Hurry up.
I'm old. Hurry up.
All right.
One more later.
Holy mackerel. How much paper is on this thing?
I don't know.
It's not paper. It's called plastic.
Oh, so did I say
Whoa.
paper? I'm sorry. Potato. Tomato.
No, it's pussy.
Tomato.
All right.
Potato.
So there's, looks like it comes out like an orange.
Can I open one?
So you can open up one.
And then Jerem will open up that. Oh, I got the pen. This is
Cool.
cute.
Look at that. Let's take a look.
That's cute.
So it looks like a rainbow. Oh, you moved it before I could. Actually, remember the last video we did of this, and we said, oh, we couldn't find the fifth surprise. It's because you had the pin on.
Oh.
Go back, watch that one. You can see your silliness as we're like, we only got 4 surprises, but we got 5. I remember 5. Okay.
Number 5.
Okay, Jordan, let's open up. Let's open up and see what wrestler we're going to get.
Do you want this?
So it's a mystery mini as Callie throws the plastic across the room.
Wait, does this have a black bag?
Yeah, they're
Probably.
mystery minis, so I think it'd be a black garbage bag.
Yes.
There it is. Okay, so feel it.
Should I close my eyes?
Who do you think it
Wait,
is? Just by.
I don't know.
Can I say? Let's see if I can
Can I
guess.
feel it?
Hold on. Let me see.
Then I'm gonna close my eyes.
Let me see.
And you.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be tough. Hold on. I think it's going to be.
A ball ball.
I think it's gonna be.
I think you know what? I think it's Roman Reigns or Seth Rollins.
Can I guess?
So my guess is Roman Reigns or Seth Rollins. All right, give it to Jordan. Let's open it up.
I don't get a guess.
Okay, so let's close my eyes.
Sure. Close your eyes.
Oh,
You'll be the last one to know. You'll be the last one to know. Oh, you know what? I almost said Ted Dibiase. As I was saying, it was.
I thought it was.
I thought it might have been. I was like, maybe it was the $1 Million Man.
I thought it was.
All right. So there's the $1 Million Man. He has the $1 Million belt because he wears it.
I literally thought.
So Ted Dibiase is a wrestler that wrestled in like the late 80s, early 90s.
I literally thought that this was Seth Rollins because it had like.
He holds the longest Intercontinental Championship belts of.
Yeah.
As Jordan's not gonna let me talk.
These things looks like his hand because it's like this. It's
Oh.
like this, so that really fold off. And because I felt long hair.
Yep. All right, so there he is, the $1 Million Man in his $1 Million suit. All right.
Here, Callie,
Callie.
try to fit.
No, come on. Okay. Why are we acting silly?
I peeked and I know what this is now,
Okay,
but
let's
All right.
just go down here.
Let's see what that is.
Fine.
What's that?
it's a jewelry kit, so you can make your own jewelry.
Oh, cool.
So,
All right. So we got a jewelry kit. Let's take a look.
so basically, those are the gems.
So those are the
and
gems
then
that you can put on.
This is the thread that you
Pretty
can make
cool.
a bracelet or a necklace.
We'll
or-
do that. We'll do that later.
Yeah.
All right, Jordan.
Here, try
Okay.
to fit.
Let's keep the plastic. Come on, guys.
Why are you trying to find it?
Enough.
Because I did it with the box and it worked. I feel like this is a
Okay.
pop.
Let me see the box. Oh.
What's that? Can I feel it first?
All right. So those are the wrestlers you can get. Let's hope we get no duplicates. We cannot get another duplicate.
I hope that Jordan does.
Do you think it's
I
$1
do
million
feel-
man?
I do feel short hair. So it's either Brock or Wendy.
All right. Can I see it?
Oh, the other side's bald.
Let's see.
Like
Gold
gold.
Oh yeah.
Here, look.
Bald hair.
At the bottom of the shirt too.
Oh, look at that. Cool.
That no one will see.
I think it's going to be. I think it's Brock Lesnar. I think you got the one you wanted.
Okay.
Let's
so
take a
I'm
look.
gonna close my eyes.
Look up.
Ow! Why are you
Look
closing my eyes?
Okay, Callie. Holy mackerel.
Okay.
Not so rough.
Oh, that one's cool.
Gold.
Gold dust.
I knew
Gold
it was
dust.
I had a
Oh.
feeling.
Actually, gold dust is pretty cool. Look at that.
It's that
I love his face paint.
That is awesome. I do like that a lot.
But I wish his face paint goes on his hotel head.
So there's his face paint.
Look at this.
Hold on. So he's ready for a fight. He's ready for $1 million fight. So he's covered in black and gold.
What?
So there is gold dust.
See? Gold. Gold. But not so dusty.
So Gold Dust was a former tag team champion. They're going to be facing off for the WWE $1 Million Championship. All right, Callie, let's open up the third
I know
surprise.
what this is already because I peeked through that little tiny.
Oh my goodness. Let's see what you're going to get.
Yep, it's a marker.
Oh, cool.
Uh-oh. See? You want to know what C is going to do?
What do you want me to draw?
What are you going to draw?
I don't know.
I dare you to draw.
A straight line.
Straight line. She's a perfect straight line drawer.
No, it's not that perfect.
A perfect.
I wish.
All
It
right.
works.
I wish
All
you
right,
got
so
3.
the marker
Because-
works.
Dad, I wish you got 3 because then I can have
I should have got.
symbols in a seal.
I should have got 3. Next time I'll get 3.
Then I can have like a
Yeah, because the shield is 3 members.
yeah. I need woman ring.
We understood.
Wow,
All right, Callie, let's open up the fourth
Yeah, let me
surprise.
just get this slip back on.
All right, let's see what.
Oh, let me open up something.
I can't tell what this is.
Oh, it's my God, I got
I got the pink highlighter.
Oh, cool.
Yes!
Oh my god, this is
Another marker, but it's a highlighter.
It's a highlighter.
I'm trying my
love
perfect
this.
straight line.
Look at that.
And let me try my perfect straight.
Can I see it?
This is amazing. I love
So-
that.
There it is. It's
It comes with its own piece of
Callie
paper.
Callie actually got one of these before,
Yeah,
the last
it's
one.
orange.
Looks like a popsicle that was just eaten.
Can
Yeah.
I try
I'm gonna.
my perfect straight line?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Where's that garbage bag?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Let me try to draw a perfect straight line.
Nah.
But my straight lines are perfect.
Your straight lines are perfect.
Let's see your writing.
All right. Okay. So there's the
Highlighter.
highlighter. All right. So let's see.
Let's see the next one.
Let's see what the last one is.
Okay.
Oh,
Please be
I know what this is.
So far, this is what we've got.
Hairbrush. It's an ice
I'm
cream
so
cone,
looking for
but
that.
it's a hairbrush.
Cool.
So I can brush my hair.
So you can brush your hair, or you can brush your doll's hair.
What's this?
That's just the top.
Wait, it can set on your hair if
So
you
here-
want to
actually,
do
here's
a
all
full
the-
braid.
Here's everything that we can get.
I opened.
So,
So I
there's-
got that pink highlighter and I got that orange. I only needed
So you only
the yellow.
need the yellow one now.
And I got one of those markers. I don't got one of those. I don't got. Oh, I kind of want one of those. I get one of those. I get one of those. I got one of those.
Are those
I
shoes?
get one of those. Yeah, those are shoes. I
Nice,
did
Jordan.
not get that, but I do have one.
And then on the other
And then
side,
I
there's
have
there's
that
princesses.
one. I don't have any of
Ducks.
those.
Jordan,
I don't have any
Jordan,
of those.
Jordan,
And
move your hand, please.
I have that pin, and I'm pretty sure that,
Yeah, because you got two pins.
and that pin. No, it's either that pin and that pin,
Yeah, I
or
forget
that
which
pin
one
and
you
that
got.
pin.
Yep. There's
And then I
there's
got-
butterflies. We
I
haven't got the
that
butterfly yet.
hairbrush.
Yep.
I got that hairbrush. It is right here.
There it is.
I wish I got like one of those too. I really like
The
those.
purple one would be cool.
Yeah.
Do not use this.
Yeah, I got a
it
ring.
always
I don't
fucking
really want a
matters.
ring.
Mermaids. Are
Mermaid.
those mermaids?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the colors
ponies?
change too. Yeah, ponies, and then that's it.
Cool.
Also, I'm pretty sure the mermaids change color.
Callie.
All right, guys. So I hope that you guys liked the opening of the Zuru 5 surprise and the WWE mystery figure vinyl figures, in which we got Ted Dibiase, who's on the front of the box, and on the side of the box we got Gold Dust. All right.
And a
So-
garbage bag.
All right, guys. So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yep.
Comment down below if you like the wrestlers and if you liked what Callie got in her 5 surprise.
Yep.
Share with your family and friends. Smash that thumbs up button.
Yeah.
Hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Bye.
Oh, I missed.